Now, let's go to AI. That's another challenge sa media.
Sobra.
No? Mas mahirap ba siya kaysa disinformation?
Hindi naman sa mas mahirap, pero it will actually challenge us more in the sense that you have to upskill. For example, a basic example, in some newsrooms before, hindi, and this not probably newspaper, maybe in TV or radio,
Yeah.
may mga transcribers ka.
Oo.
Hindi mo na kailangan ngayon.
So, nagbawas ka ng tao.
Nagbawas ka ng tao. Kung transcriber ka, ang kailangan mong gawin, mag-upskill ka. I-upskill
What
mo
way
yung sarili
mag-upskill?
mo. So, meaning, hindi lang ako transcriber,
Magsusulat
kaya
ka
ko
na.
ring digest nitong transcript na to. Kaya kitang bigyan ng 10 bullet points from this transcript. But even then, kaya rin ng AI yan ngayon.
So, parang kumbaga, kakompetensya mo ang AI.
May mga
Sa
skills
trabaho.
talaga na hindi kayang talunin ng AI.
Ang tao.
Social skills for one. Wala sila nun.
Puso.
Yes, that's the term that we always want to use, puso. Pero alam mo yon, yung putting yourselves in the other person's situation. Rape victim, syempre mag-iiba yung pakikitungo mo, di ba? As opposed to politiko, iba rin siguro yung paraan mo ng pagtatanong. Kumbaga, knowing the correct way of asking things depending on the context. But in terms, for example, of summarizing a 300-page PDF, ay oh my God, talo tayo ng AI dyan. Kayang-kaya niyang gawin.
Ano pang mga nagiging challenges nyo sa usapin ng AI? At ano ba ang ginagawa ninyo aside sa upskilling?
Well, you have to understand it first, no? Anong AI ba ang tinutukoy natin? We're talking about generative AI kasi. Because AI has always been there. Diba? When you Google, that's AI.
Yeah.
But when you use Gemini, that's generative AI. Dapat alam mo siguro yung limits ng AI and how to use it properly. In fact, someone once told me, eventually, kailangan nating ituro ang prompt engineering. Which is
Prompt engineering.
yung tamang paraan ng pagbibigay ng prompt sa AI. Pagtatanong sa AI. Kasi madalas ang iba, gagamitin niya yung AI na parang ginagamit ng Google. Like, what is ganito? What is ganyan? And then you want AI to, that's very, kumbaga sayang naman yung AI kung ganun lang.
Yes. So, paano ba dapat?
For example, this is just a very basic example. I have a 1-page story. It's, ako ang nagsulat. I wrote that story. But I want to make sure wala